Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're going to make an organic gold facial serum. We are using all organic oils for this facial serum and non-GMO vitamin E. And while this product could qualify for USDA certified organic labeling, unless you are a USDA certified organic manufacturer and your company has been approved for certified organic labeling, you cannot sell this oil as USDA certified organic. So I just want to make that clear right up front. Even though it is organic, unless you have the right certifications, you cannot sell it that way. So to get started, you'll need your ingredients. You'll need your USDA certified organic rosehip seed oil, USDA certified organic Camellia seed oil, USDA certified organic pomegranate seed oil. Last but not least, you'll need your non-GMO vitamin E. So this is a very simple oil blend to make. You'll need a mixing bowl and a whisk. And you simply take your half cup of organic rosehip seed oil, your half cup of Camellia seed oil. Oh, I just love that golden color. I think it's so beautiful. And we're going to add just a little bit of pomegranate seed oil. And the reason for that is that pomegranate oil absorbs a little less quickly than the other two oils. So we want this serum to be fast absorbing, so you can put it on, wait less than 2 minutes, and put your makeup on directly over it. And last but not least, vitamin E, of course, helps prevent the oils from going rancid. So it's not a preservative, but it will help your oils from going bad on you. So you simply take your whisk and mix all of those together. Now you could add an essential oil for scent if you wanted to. I like to do that sometimes. For this particular recipe, we're not adding a fragrance, but feel free to add an essential oil if you choose. So there you have it. Very simple, very easy to make. We recommend packaging this in 1 ounce bottles. No preservative is needed, as there is no water in this product. It's completely anhydrous, so you don't need to have a preservative. So 1 ounce bottles with a treatment pump, and we recommend selling this from anywhere between $20 and $40 per ounce. So we hope you enjoy this lovely organic gold facial serum. You can find a link to purchase all of the ingredients for this recipe by clicking the More button directly below the video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more great videos, and thanks for joining us.